Hello, good evening, everyone. So today we will learn about the brightness of the sun. Okay, let's go. The bright of the sun, it can be sign that no one perfect alive in the darkness to align with a bright future. Sometimes is it unavoidable that the darkness come into our lives. However, we know that when tomorrow comes, all the darkness will disappear with the person of the dark light. We will gain hope, a concrete. That light of the day will make things appear more vividly to us. So we are not frightened by what we cannot see. We can make the sun right at night as well. Just focus the mind on the center of our body until the light goes within. When this inner sun lies at the center of our body, we will feel even happier than when we see the sun of the day. Okay, goodbye. See you in next video.